Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Fishdom application on your Android device. So let's get started. Open your Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box and type in Fishdom. Look for this application from Playrix and tap on the install button to begin the download. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your Android device, which will only take a few minutes. Once it's done, tap on the play button to launch open Fishdom on your Android device. That was how you can easily download Fishdom on Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.